G'day guys, today we've got a question which I'm going to use to demonstrate how to calculate the area of a sector. Now a sector is just a fraction of a circle, so this here is what we call a sector. Now basically the way that we calculate the area of a sector is we just find the area of the entire circle and then we multiply that by whatever the fraction of the entire circle the sector is. Now we usually do that by using the angle which the sector subtends. So we usually use this angle here to calculate the fraction. Okay, well let's go about doing this, and we're going to do this in two different ways. The first way, we're going to find out the exact area, and then the second way we're going to find, after we've found the exact area, we're also going to find the approximate area. Okay, so all of you guys hopefully will know that the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So let's go about working that out first. So the area of this entire circle is going to be equal to pi times 20 squared, which is going to be equal to 400 pi. Cool. So basically what we then have to do is we have to work out, well, what fraction of the entire circle is the sector? So now, the ways that I'm doing it like this really long method is so you can get an intuition of how the formula works. So if you, in a test, forget the formula for how to work out the area of a sector, you can then just go back to first principles and work it out anyway. So this is a bit like an insurance policy. So the fraction of this circle, well, the angle that the sector subtends is 150. The angle of an entire rotation is 360. So both of these are divisible by 30. So 30 goes into 150 5 times, and 30 goes into 360 12 times. And we can't simplify that fraction anymore. So from here, we can then just say that the area of this sector is going to be equal to 5 over 12 times the area of the entire circle, 400 pi. So 400 times 5, 4 5s are 20 plus 2 zeros. So we have 20 plus 2 zeros, so 2000 pi divided by 12. And then we can just start to simplify this. We know that 4 goes into both. So 4 goes into 2,500 times. Four goes into 12 3 times. So this here cannot be simplified anymore. So this is our exact value of the area of this sector. So this is centimeters squared. So this one here is our exact value. Now, to work out our approximate value, you're simply going to put this into a calculator. So and from here, it's just you just plug it in and hit equals, and you get approximately 523.6 centimeters squared. So the only difficult part of doing the approximate area is making sure that you have the correct amount of decimal places, or the correct amount of significant figures. So basically, guys, in an exam or a test, they're going to ask you to, if they ask you to do the exact value, you're going to have to give the answer in terms of pi. So this will have to stay if it's exact. If it's not exact, you're going to use, so only use calculator if approximate. Because a scientific calculator will not give you the solution in terms of pi. A graphics calculator will, but a scientific calculator, which you will probably be using to calculate the area of this shaded region, will not give you the answer in terms of pi. So guys, I hope this video helped sort of, get your head around the intuition of how to work out the area of a sector. All you have to, the takeaway is you just find the area of a circle and then multiply that by the fraction of the circle that the sector is. We find the fraction by using the angle that is subtended by the sector, and then you multiply them both together. If you're looking for the exact value, you simplify, make it in terms of pi, and then that's it. If you need the approximate area, you can just get this number here, multiply it by this number here in your calculator, and it'll bang out a number that looks similar to this one here. So I hope this video helped, guys. If it did, throw us a like. If you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos, try and put them out almost every single day. If you have any questions, maths related, physics related, chemistry related, you can also drop me a line and I'll be happy to have a go at solving them. But until next time, guys, have fun.